It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hey all, in a quest to provide quality education, Unacademy has come up with a unique new test series under the name Unacademy Combat, India's largest fortnightly challenge competition for GATE. And the questions are created by the top educators of Unacademy. It's a real-time learning. You can have real-time rankings. The beauty of this test series is the questions are prepared by the top educators. 3 to 4 concepts are linked in a single question, and each question is something like equivalent to 4 questions. The format of the test series is 15 questions in 1 hour. And apart from that, we have detailed video solutions provided by the top educators. Come, compete, crack, and conquer. All the best. See, the importance of test series is like now you have got a very limited time, so that when you start attacking good numericals, which involves 3 to 4 concepts, it's like covering the maximum syllabus. And real rankings are provided here so that you can compete with the best. And a quick revision with the help of video solutions can also be provided. So it will save a lot of time. So every fortnight we have tests. So 15 questions, 1 hour. In a single question, you may have 3 to 4 concepts. So it's like attempting 15 questions is equivalent to attempting maybe 40-45 questions. So it will save your time, and at times we provide shortcut techniques, but actually I always believe in the shortcut techniques. It must be developed by student himself or herself, and that is possible only with thorough practice. So if you take up these questions, and practice, you can develop your own shortcut methods that will stay with you forever. So this is a golden opportunity wherein you can compete with the best. The top educators, they are taking out their time to develop questions so that more concepts are involved. In a limited time, good number of questions are provided. So now you should take more number of tests. Now the time has come. Hardly you are left with a couple of months, maybe 40-45 days. Try to expose yourself to maximum number of tests, where this platform is providing under the name Unacademy Combat. A bit tougher version, but you will have a judicious mixture of all varieties are included in this, like right from simple to higher level questions. It will be a judicious mixture of all, where you will have a real time feeling as if you are in examination, and you will enjoy thoroughly. It's like fun learning. So come, join, conquer, compete, and all the best. God bless you all.